Hi, Kirsty here at AWE. We're pleased to let you know that AWE's showroom is COVID secure and back open. All demo rooms are available for dealers and their customers to see. Some things are a little different though. To allow for social distancing, we have a maximum of 4 people in a single demo. You will be asked to use hand sanitizer on arrival. Now let me pass you over to James, who will show you a little tour.
So when you arrive, you'll still be able to get one of our great Chibo coffees, but this time they will be in compostable single-use cups. Some things are out of use, like the football table. But in the main apartment, you'll be able to see the URC tilt control system in action. The living room area shows a Sony TV-based surround sound system using the TV as a centre channel. We're showing in the study hidden TV solutions. The reference cinema has a 4 metre wide cinema screen with KEF reference speakers around it. The rest of the 13 channel system uses KEF's THX certified speakers. We show 2 Sony native 4K laser projectors in here. Due to social distancing, some seats are out of use. The performance cinema, we're using the lamp-based Sony projectors with definitive technology in-wall speakers. The Den has a hidden cinema using either ultra-short throw projector or Epson's 3 LCD machine.
To book a visit, you must complete our booking form by going onto this link. We look forward to seeing you soon.